so I'm gonna end with the LA Colors Frisky palette. I had to be that extra because, you know, I was extra with the showing the palette thing. I was so extra. So I'm just taking that nice brown color and I'm gonna be applying it all over the crease, blending out very, very well. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. All the sauce is so yummy. All the sauce is so yummy. Hey, hey. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking the Huda Beauty palette and I'm gonna be taking the black. This black from this palette is the dopest black that I ever actually put my hands on, you guys, because this black is dope. Like, this is a dope black, and just applying it right into the crease. Then I went back in the crease and I had went back with that brown so I can even out the harsh lines and make it look neater. Of course, what's new, I'm using the LA Colors Concealer Up Concealer, and I'm just cutting the crease. Going in with the gold from the Huda Beauty palette, and I applied it 1/2 of the lid. You guys, even though I love the Flirty Matte Brown from the LA Colors Flirty palette, look how it looks on the lid. Oh my gosh, y'all. It looks so good. So I decided I wanted to, you know, experiment and apply it to the lid instead of in the crease as well. Then I went with this pretty champagne color and I'm applying it in the inner corner. It's like a pinkish champagne color. Then I went in with the I Made Cosmetics. I use this Periwinkle pigment and I love it so much. I kind of like it at the same time, but I wish I would have went with more like of a orange pigment. It probably would have been better, even more dope. But I like the Periwinkle. It was cool. gotta apply some liner and lashes, and that completes the look, you guys.